welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Six yoga asanas to cure congestion. Yoga is one of the ancient Indian practices to cure human body issues for ages. Indians have been taking the help of yoga, whether it is for any physical or mental problems cure. Yoga is never proven wrong. Through researchers, it has proved that how regular practice of yoga has improved the quality and duration of lifespan. Yoga does not only cure single issues but is now world famous for the holistic development of the individual. There are many other ways of increasing immunity as supplements besides them. Yoga practice is always free of any side effects. Even the inclusion of many laborious asanas is safe for all ages if done under proper supervision. Many misunderstood yoga with any other form of exercise, but yoga asana is way for different from some aerobic or stretching. Performing yoga regularly will directly or indirectly stimulate all the organ systems of the body in some way or another. Yoga for congestion. Congestion is a problem that every second person suffers. Congestion is an experience of blockage of nostrils or sensation of blockage and inflammation. Congestion originates by swelling of blood vessels around the nose. Sometimes, the problem of congestion may lead to different types of other issues like headaches and heaviness. Yoga asana makes a direct impact on the respiratory and digestive systems. Different types of pranayam will help a person suffering from congestion. Yoga also affects the lymphatic system of the body. Yoga helps in controlling stress hormone which balance the immune system automatically. These asanas help in curing and preventing congestion. Why stay more precaution during monsoon? The changing weather during monsoon every year is also get followed by varied diseases like influenza and flu. The changing temperature provides a high opportunity for enormous bacteria and germs to grow with the stage water is a self-built home for viruses to live. With all the issue of flu and cold become common, at this time of having a high chance of being infected, one should take care of its immune, for with yoga is the cheapest and holistically effective way. Easy yoga asanas to do at home to cure and prevent congestion. Camel pose. Camel pose gives a stretch to the respiratory tract which cure congestion. It also stretches the shoulders which also affects the lymphatic system from the body. These postures are easy to do at home and also strengthens the back and shoulder of the individual. With this, it also boosts the circulatory system of the body and increases the immunity of one. Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Anulom Vilom Pranayam, when done early at sunrise, is beneficial for anyone suffering from anything. It gives a boost to purification power and increases blood flow in the brain. Though pranayam involves breathing, it also clears the respiratory tract of the individual. Anulom Vilom Pranayam is good for lung stamina. Downward facing dog. This yoga asana is usually famous for suppressing depression. Mental stamina strengthened through it. This asana helps in boosting oxygen flow to the body. Downward facing dog posture relaxes the body and therefore increases immunity of the body. Bridge pose. Bridge pose is on the easiest to do at home and stretches the whole thorax of the body. Realizes stress and focuses on the respiratory tract of the individual that increases the oxygen level of the body and also clears the respiratory tract. Child pose. Child pose gives tension to the digestive enzymes of the body, increases the fighting back tendency of humans. It stretches the back, therefore releases tension and relaxes the body. This posture stretches the spine of the body, gives a boost to the immune system of the body. Regular practice of this type of asana will prevent you from congestion. Fish pose. Fish pose mainly focuses on the respiratory tract and give it a nice stretch to the windpipe. Increases the blood flow and increases the amount of oxygen in the vessels. Fish pose is easy to do at home, can also be done without any supervision. It clears the respiratory tract and relaxes the back of the body. Regular practice of this asana will give high relief to congestion. There are some of the most effective and easy to do at home yoga asanas that can perform to cure congestion. Prevent one from congestion during monsoons and increases immunity. These yoga asanas suitable for anyone willing to enhance immunity, relax the body and remove fatigue. Wishes you would like these asanas, so go and try all of this and let us know the result and your experience in the comment section down below.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.